Hey, it's time to laugh and play.
So have a happy day.
Come visit Busy Town. Lots of things to do and see.
It's so much fun to be
a part of Busy Town. We'll keep your spirits soaring
while we're exploring
our busy world. Let's go! You can make a lot of friends.
Good times never end.
When you're in Busy Town, it's adventure and surprise.
We'll open up your eyes.
In such a busy world, in Busy Town. Every day there's something new.
You're invited too.
Come visit Busy Town. It's time to watch the show.